Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this presentation, I will explain the concept of strings in Python. We have following topic in my presentation: string data type, multi-line string. So without any further delay, let's get started. String data type. A string is a sequence of characters. It can be enclosed in a single or double quotation mark. As we have already studied in my previous presentation, whenever we write any string in Python, it should enclose in single or double quotation mark. But Python will always give the result in single quotation mark. If single quotes are inside the string, then the string should be enclosed within double quotes or vice versa. What does it mean? If you are planning to do single quotes inside the string, then whole the string should wrap in double quotation mark. Let's understand with the help of example. Open your command prompt. Type Python here and press enter. I am writing statement here. In this case, all the string is enclosed in double quotation mark, and I have a substring. I have a substring which is enclosed in single quotation mark. This is our definition. All the string is enclosed in double quotation mark, and I have a substring which should always enclose in single quotation mark. If I enclosed all the statement in single quotation mark, or I have a substring, then this substring should always enclose in double quotation mark. This is very important. When I press enter, I will not get any error. If I want to print the statement, I will not get any error. This will just look like this. On the other hand, if I am not follow this rule, I am writing again. I have planned to include both quotation mark inside the string. What happened in this case, when I press enter, I will get a syntax error. What does it mean? Python will always look for closing double quotation mark after occurrence of first quotation mark. After reading these characters, Python will think that this is the closing double quotation mark, and Python will not expect anything after these double quotation mark. But I have added more character, sequence of character after this statement, so that is why I am getting an error. Then how to eliminate this error? We can eliminate this error using backslash character. Whenever we plan to do single or double quotation mark in a statement, we should escape them using backslash character. Again, go back to definition. On the other hand, single or double quotes within a string can be escaped using backslash character. Open your command prompt. Escaping a code means that we are telling Python to not to consider the code as closing single quotation mark or double quotation mark. Let's try to understand with the help of example. I am writing statement here. I am starting with double quotation mark using backslash character. In this case, when I press enter, I will not get any error. If I want to print the statement, this is our output. So these codes are preserved. That's what I want. We can say now. The format is also preserved. The codes are also preserved. but I am not follow this approach because this approach is more readable as compared to this approach. So I should also encourage you, use this approach only. Again, go back to definition, use this approach only instead of this approach, because this approach is not more readable. Try to use this approach in your string operations. Now we have done this string data type. Let's move on multi-line string. String is enclosed in triple or double quotation mark. As the name suggests, it is called a multi-line string if we have multi-line in that string. For example, open your command prompt. I am typing a statement. I am starting with triple quotation mark. Now if I press enter, I will not get any error. You will observe 3 dots instead of this arrow. This means my line is in continuation. I am writing again. Again I press enter. I will not get any error. When I close with triple quotation mark, then our statement is ended. When I press enter, you will observe these 3 arrows on your screen. Now, when I want to print the statement, when I press enter, this is look like this. Hello, I'm Mohan, how are you? Python will always, I will not get any error in this statement. Python will always look for the closing triple quotation mark. In this case, I have not added triple quotation mark. So this means I want to add more lines in more string in new lines. So that is the reason. So this is all we need to understand the concept of multi-line string. We have done with string data type. We have done with multi-line string. That is it for now. Thanks for watching this presentation. I will see you in the next one.